Hey my friends. In this video I'm showing step by step on how to change the default browser in Windows 11. You can choose your default browser in Windows settings. Here is how you can do it. First, click on the Start menu. Click to open the Settings app. Select Apps in the left sidebar. Select Default Apps. Here on the search bar, search the browser that you would like to set as default. Select Set Default. Check to make sure both the HTTP and HTTPS sections are set to your preferred default browser. If not, select them to change them manually. So that's it. Let me hope you learned how to do it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and even click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any single video on the channel. Have a nice time.